In this video, we'll show you how to change the blower control module on your Ford Fusion. You can find it on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Open the passenger door to give you easier access to the blower control module located under the glove box. Disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the plastic tab. Using a multi-bit screwdriver and a 5.5mm socket, unscrew the blower control module retaining screw. Then remove the screw. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. You can now remove the module. You can order the blower control module used in the video from CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new module. Pay attention to the pins which allow it to be correctly positioned. Install it in its location. Then retighten the screw. Reconnect the power connector. Operation complete.